I'm back. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on Google Slides. So as you can see, I'm on a Google page. Here's the waffle I was talking about in the classroom. So you click on the waffle and I can go right to slides, or I can go to my drive. I'm going to go to my drive first and show you how to get there from that. So here's my drive. These are all the things I've made so far. So I would click on New, and then I would go down to Google Slides and click on the side arrow, and a template will take you to, like, if you want to do a book report or whatever. I always start with a blank presentation because I know what I'm doing. And so I click blank presentation, and ta-da! So this is like the title page of a book or the cover of a book. This is your title of your slideshow, and you can choose from some pre-done themes, they call them, or styles. And the cool thing about choosing these is that it puts this, I always choose this one because it's kind of Sunny Slope colors, but it will do it for every single slide. So testing. Okay, so you always put the title on here. You put your name down here. Okay, and important, you need to put the title up here. And usually if you click on it after you put it in here, it'll automatically put it up here. But you got to put it in both places. Otherwise, when you go to find your slideshow, you don't know which slideshow it is because they all say untitled. That's not cool. So then you're going to add a new slide. Ba, ba, ba. See how they already have the yellow? And then you just type. And let's say I want to do my slideshow on hummingbirds. Hummingbirds. So this page is hummingbirds. Okay, so I want to add a picture of a hummingbird. So I'm going to, up here to insert. I'm going to go to image, and I don't have any pictures of hummingbirds on my computer, so I'm going to search the web for them. And then over here in the little search bar, I'm going to put hummingbird. And look, here's all these cool pictures of a hummingbird. So you click on the one. And then you hit insert, and it's gonna cover the page. Well, if you're doing a report, you have to write some words with it too. So then you just come over here, use your cursor, and you click it. When it's blue like this is the edit box. This means you can change the shape or whatever. And so then you just make it smaller and you can add it. And let's say you go, oh, I don't like that one. See this little backwards arrow button? It's called the undo button. So then you can take it off. You keep going back until you get to the beginning page. Let's see, up here there's different font styles you can choose, different font sizes. You should be able to, let me type some, just type some quick letters here. Oh, I know I need to get rid of that thing, get it out of my way. There we go. And so if you want your font a different color, you come up here where it says A with the underline and you hit that. And then you choose a color. Just be careful of what color you choose, because if you go over here to the slide and change background and then you put another picture or a color, you have to make sure that your font can be seen on your background. So that's just a quick tutorial. If you have questions, let me know.